Everyone is seeking money. Though money is not everything, we require it to meet our daily necessities. Our lives become more difficult to live without it. People look everywhere for information on how to make money online. There are countless ways to make money online. Here are the top 10 ways to make money online in 2023. But before we get started, be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to get notified about our latest videos. Number 10. Ethical hacking. Security is currently one of the most pressing topics on the internet. Hackers have long exploited flaws in a website or program for harmful purposes. This could result in the disclosure of sensitive information, such as your personal and credit card information. An ethical hacker is someone who works to uncover flaws in a company's website and software. In contrast to hackers, an ethical hacker will report the issue to the company so that it can be resolved. Several people make a career off of the money they receive through bug bounty schemes. Number 9. Content writing. The majority of successful bloggers have many blogs. They can't provide new and unique content for each blog regularly. As a result, they recruit freelance content writers to provide fresh and distinctive content. As more people join the blogging community, the demand for content writers grows. To be a professional writer, you must have great writing skills as well as strong grammar. You must be able to properly format the blog post and use reader-friendly language. Number 8. Online selling. Selling items online is one of the top money-making options for quick income. You can sell clothes, handbags, and a variety of other items. You can buy and resell higher-value things such as laptops, televisions, and phones. These items may be purchased online through sites such as AliExpress or at local garage sales and thrift stores. A terrific way to make money quickly and earn extra income. Instead of just one platform or marketplace, try selling your stuff to others. There are hundreds of online selling platforms, each with its specialization and commission rates. Number 7. Make yourself an influencer. If you enjoy social media and consistently create stuff, you should consider upgrading your social profiles. Take Instagram, for example. If you specialize in a specific niche, such as education or travel, you may offer more targeted content that addresses people's dilemma spots. As your following expands, you may begin experimenting with different types of material to see what generates the most engagement, and sponsorships will begin to flow in. Even if this is one of the most inventive ways to make money online and turn it into a legitimate business, it will take time to bear fruit. Number 6. Copywriting. People frequently confuse content writing and copywriting. The primary distinction between the two types of writing is the purpose. The goal of content writing is to offer knowledge or educate the audience while indirectly motivating them to take action to achieve a goal. The purpose might be anything, such as promoting your business or products or increasing newsletter sign-ups. Copywriting is used to directly pitch your goals to your target audience. It's all about employing the proper words and catchy lines to persuade the client to take action. Number 5. Print on demand. Print on demand lets retailers modify white label items with their designs and sell them immediately once a consumer buys, removing the need to hold the inventor. When a consumer placed an order, a print-on-demand provider will apply your design to the product, complete the order, and ship it to the client. The major advantage of print-on-demand is that you have complete control over the look of your products. A critical differentiator for product categories where the design is the key differentiator, such as t-shirts or fan apparel. Number 4. Create membership site. You can establish subscription plans if you already have a blog or website with a lot of content, such as articles and how-to manuals. Make money by creating special content for loyal subscribers or clients. Ebooks, infographics, and exclusive newsletters are all excellent possibilities. Furthermore, if you're a YouTuber, you can create backstage content or QAs to attract more community members. Once you've found the ideal platform and begun your membership plans, make your pricing available to multiple people to grow your subscribers. Number 3. Dropshipping business. Consider dropshipping. Startup expenses are inexpensive, and it's an increasingly popular option for novices and experts alike to make money online. Dropshipping is a business concept in which the things you sell are not kept in stock. When a consumer purchases something from your store, a third party fulfills and ships the order on your behalf. Dropshippers can profit from the latest trends by selling trending products, or they can choose from a variety of stable product categories that offer a similar potential for success. Number 2. Invest in stocks. Investing is usually a good approach to making money. You can invest in stock options if you have an entrepreneurial spirit and are strong in economics. For example, you can examine your employer's stock options to be safe, or you can buy shares in other firms if you believe their value will rise. However, if you're new to these transactions, you should avoid them because you could lose a lot of money if something goes wrong. Number 1. Affiliate marketing. Becoming an affiliate marketer should be great for professionals looking to earn a passive income. Affiliate marketing occurs when an affiliate or publisher earns a commission on a product or service that they successfully promote to their audiences. Affiliates can promote both physical and digital products as long as they believe they can persuade their audience to buy them. Even while physical things convert faster than digital, the fee is usually lower. Others prefer to run pay-per-click (PPC) ads if they have some money to invest ahead of time to reach consumers who are very likely to convert. So guys, that was it for this video. What did you think about our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you are new to our channel, be sure to subscribe and ring that notification bell to get notified about our latest videos. Thanks for watching.